Remove the front door speaker first. Pry it off with a crowbar. Unplug the wire. There is a small clip in the middle of the plug. Unplug it. Next, remove the screws. There are 2 more here. Next screw here. And this place. Pry down the door panel. Insert the pry bar into the gap and pry it open. Remove the door trim panel. Disconnect the cable. Remove the cables one by one. Remove these rubber stoppers. Every part that is removed must be kept. Is this for lifting glass shelves? Here's another one. These 2 buckles. It is the door handle with 2 screw positions. Remove the tape. Remove these cables. Because of the need to dismantle the glass, to remove the glass, you need to remove this board. Remove the screws. Ready to remove the screws? Remove every screw. Pick the door lock and lock it. Glass goes up. Otherwise, the screws can't be screwed here, so the glass has to go up. If you go up, the simulation door is closed. So this lock should also be tilted up. These two are the screws for the glass frame. After removing them, take out the glass. No need to screw it out. Just unscrew it. Take the glass off. The glass shelf has been removed as well. Remove the door handle of the original car. The door handle has 3 screws. 12-gauge sleeve for 3 screws. This is the door handle of our original car. Remove this button first. Press down. And then rotate it to the right. And rotate it to the left. And then it can be taken off. This is the original. This thing needs to be removed. This is the right door handle. Install our new products. Hang it on like this. Press down again. The buckle should be in place. Okay, the second buckle should be in place. It's installed. If you want to remove, the first step is to remove the buckle. Pry this buckle first with a knife. This is the second deduction. Insert the screwdriver inside, and it's done. When the screw is placed in this position, we need to replace it with the screw we provide. Here. Just this one. This is the wiring harness for the handle. Now we install the car. Put the loaded handle back on. It's secured with screws here. See if this can be screwed. This is the screw of the original car. It's a bit off. But it is recommended to use our screws to install it. Third screw. Fix the 3 screws of the handle. The plug is a connector for the lock block. This is the lock, the connector of the original lock. After unplugging it and connect to our handle. Male and female connectors. And then plug it back in. So plug it back into the original car. There's a button. To fasten, this is the adapter cable for our handle. After installing it and putting it back, press it down. It's locked. Pull this down when dismantling. Buckle it up and put it on. The original car plug should be aligned with ours. After inserting it, press it down. Okay, after we plug it into the original lock, after inserting it, press it down. Now pack the protocol box of our handle. We need to remove the A-pillar. Yes, I installed it. Just take it off directly. Because my car has guards, but it does not affect disassembly. Remove the cover plate under the armrest compartment. This is our handle to get electricity. Remove the cover plate. Power is here. There is an original car wire bundle here. Wear it from here. Come up from the gap next to it. This is our handshake protocol. Put it on. See that hole? Here, go through here. Just take the thing through. This one goes through and goes to the front. Find something to tie it with. Go through here. Pull it through. Just pull the rubber strip apart. If you open it, remember to close it again to keep it waterproof. Some people poke a hole. It's okay to have a poke hole or not. No poke hole from the side. Screw the nut here. 30 nuts. Use a nut to put our handle. Take the wire and fix it. Sure, V. Let's see how the wiring harness of the handle works. It goes down here. Go down. Here we connect the ground wire of the handle. Let's test it. It will automatically rebound. It won't get stuck or blocked. Then it's okay. Then we will help the glass and door panels back. Fix the handle's wires. Tie it with a zip tie. Take a look at the line of the handle. We're going to make it clear. Look at the handle's thread. After putting it back, we tie it up so that when the glass is raised and lowered, it won't get caught on this wire. Cover back. Put the glass frame back. Put the screws on first and don't fix them. Tighten again. Reset the connection cable. Glass screw reset. Put the rubber stopper back in. Reinstall the car door window. Screw the glass screws. Put the tape back. Restore cable. Plug it in. Put the cover back on. Install the 3 screws of the handle. Control box pasted. Just make sure it's stable. Stuffed into an empty space. Fix the handle's wire bundle. Protocol box at the bottom. Just hide it. Installation complete.